Most companies don't fail to scale because they ignore operations. They fail because they fix things in the wrong order. I'm Will from Deep River Strategy, and this is something I see in a lot of growing companies. The founder knows the business is getting messy, sales is moving, customers are coming in, the team is growing, but everything feels a little harder than it should be. So they add fixes, a new CRM system, a new dashboard, a senior hire, and that gets more meetings and more process. And while some of this may be necessary, if you do it in the wrong order, you don't create scale, you create more complexity. So the sequence really matters. First, get the strategy clear. Who are you focused on? What are you selling? What are you not doing? Then get the ownership clear. Who owns the customer? Who owns the number? Who owns the handoff? Then fix the actual process. How does work move through the company? Where does it stall? And where does it get reworked? Only after that do systems and metrics really help. The goal is not to make the company more complicated. The goal is to make growth easier to repeat. Fix the wrong thing first, and you can create a bureaucratic mess. Fix the right thing first, and scaling becomes much easier.